All right, guys, Chad again here at Harley-Davidson of Atlanta. I don't think I've been this excited in a long time. I'm trying really hard not to like freak out like a little girl and just be screaming like a child on Christmas morning right now, because today, well, it's finally arrived. The new Harley-Davidson Pan America Special. Holy cow, this thing is super, super rad. Let's check it out. You've got your high beam and low beam passing lamps. Your cruise control is right here. And then you've got your directional switches that do control your display. Turn signal down here, down low. Got your horn down below that. And then over on this side, I try to move everything out of the way. You've got your mode button back here. You've got your starter switch. There's your hazard lights. Got some controls here for some audio. And then down low, you've got your traction control and your voice activative stuff. All right, so quick run through. Got some different features. Some of these are not going to populate right now because there is not a phone currently connected to it to go through play anything, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick what everything looks like, the menu looks like. The menu is super, super easy to use. The thumb controls are very, very nice, easy to get to, easy to scroll through. Right here with your thumb, really easy to get to everything. It's a brilliant setup. I was really concerned when I first saw it, thought it was too much going on. You've got adjustable levers on both sides. Right here, you got your starter, which is really cool because you flip the switch down and you just push the button and release it. Bike fires right up, kind of like an auto start. And then you've got your controls for your audio or your GPS features once you have your phone connected. Over here on this side, under that little cap is a C port, which is super cool. Gas cap. This is a special, so it does have the laced wheel option, which is really cool. The tubeless laced wheels, which I absolutely love. Super, super, super cool. They look great on the motorcycle. Also, this one has the adaptive ride height, which I also really like, and everyone was kind of interested to see how it worked. You get on the bike, start the switch, and the rear end's gonna settle for you. As soon as you pull away, the rear end is gonna raise itself back up to its proper ride height. When you come to a stop again, the tail section, again, is gonna lower itself give you a little bit better ground clearance so your feet can actually touch on the ground. You're not tiptoeing around the parking lot or wherever you're at in traffic. Super, super cool motorcycle. I cannot wait to take this thing out and rip around town on it. I'd love to own one. What do you guys think? All right, everybody. I have been waiting for this bike for a long time. What do you guys think about it? Do you think Harley-Davidson killed it? Do you think it's gonna be a great idea? We've had a lot of interest in this motorcycle. I'm super excited we finally have one here. Love the color option. The special, in my opinion, is the only way to go. And the lace wheels, you gotta have the lace wheels. I can't wait to see this thing with the Screaming Eagle slip-on on it and some metal bags, which would be really cool. Really makes this thing really user-friendly, something you can ride every day, in and out of town, off the dirt road, off the beaten path. So comment below, let us know what you think. As always, thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel. More importantly, please subscribe, hit the little bell button so you get a notification anytime we upload new content. Until next time, guys, keep it on two wheels. Catch you later.